Alright you guys, so today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I am here at a wholesale show here in Minneapolis, Minnesota at the DoubleTree Hotel. I've never been to this show before. It's not open to the public and you need to register. So I need to go in and register because I missed pre-registration on their website. I will link the show information down below because they go to several cities all over the country, and they were also in Tucson earlier this year. So I'm excited to see what this version of the show looks like here in Minneapolis. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on in, get registered. The parking lot is super packed and super full, so I'm thinking there's gonna be a lot of people there. And the only reason I learned about this show is because I got a flyer in the mail. A lot of people don't know this show is going on, so hopefully you guys can check and see if the show is coming to a city near you. But let's go ahead and head on in and see what we find at the show. So the show this year is at the DoubleTree Hotel in Bloomington, Minnesota. You can see the parking lot is very much packed. So this is my first time to the show, so let's see how good it is. I think there's gonna be a lot of jewelry vendors here versus crystal vendors, but you know, I think it doesn't hurt to go in and check it out and see what it's like. So I'll see you when I get in there. So here's kind of the map and then the shows that are going on. So let's go get registered. So that first crystal room was pretty expensive. In this booth right here, he has some Moldavite, so I may get that, but it's $20 a gram, which is a lot. So we'll check out what else we got going on here.
Come back to me, come back to me, come back to me, come back to me.
Guys, how cute. These little tiny carvings. I'm definitely gonna get some of these. Little seahorse, stars. So I'll pick some of these out. This is all some Larimar over here. I did get some earlier, but this person really specializes in it. She has quite a few larger pieces, some rough bags, pendants, and then some specialty carvings. Look at that quality. That's beautiful. We have some Libyan desert glass here at $3 a gram. Some mini carvings, lab hearts. That's a huge agate. Those are beautiful. I've seen these before, the black jersey. Really cool. This is raw Sunday. 300 a kilo. Lots of big towers over here. Palm stones. Lots of materials over here. Ooh. Some nice flower agate. Oh my gosh. Look at these. They're giant mushrooms. I think these are black rose quartz. I think. Ooh, rainbow. These are super cool. They have regular rose quartz ones and a couple other materials. Look how pretty that is. These are some ametrine points. These are really nice. And they're baby points. Got some moss agate. Everything here is in plastic. Some garden points, flower agate, aura. It's a little bit hard to see everything, but some nice quality here.
Come back to me.
my first batch of crystals in the frunk of my Tesla. So now I'm gonna go back in. I was able to get some Ace Vein Ocean Jasper in here, you guys, which is so freaking exciting. So I'm gonna actually try to move my car a little bit closer because I'm kind of a hike away. So let's move the car and go back in. These are chrysoprase, I think. Some really nice big spirit quartz. Lots of really nice material here. Here's some pink scolecite. There's not much left and it's really thin. So these are cabs. So I'm not sure if I want to get these just because they're so thin. I think that these are Tiffany stone, which is pretty cool. And then they do have some Moldavite. So they have some nice pieces here. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm pretty much wrapped up for the day. I got so many cool things. I did end up getting some Moldavite. Oh my god. And I got some freaking 8th vein Jasper. I swear nobody is aware that there is freaking 8th vein Jasper just literally sitting there. There's like an entire tray. So I'm like, why is nobody buying this? Because it's so high in demand right now. But I'm going to show you guys the Moldavite really quick because everything else is in the frunk and I don't want to get it out because I'm still here. But I just want to show you the Moldavite and then I'll do another video that's a haul of everything that I got so you guys can see and get excited about it. Obviously this show is a lot smaller than the Tucson show, so I got a lot less and I spent a lot less money but still got some super cool pieces. So let me show you guys the Moldavite and just explain a little bit about it because I'm super excited to have it and this is my first time ever carrying it. Okay, you guys, so this is the Moldavite that I got. It's super cool. I just got 5 pieces because, you guys, Moldavite's super expensive. I will tell you, these will retail for probably all over 100 just because they're about 90, just so you guys know. But the cool thing about this supplier is they're a supplier who's trying to change the game in terms of sourcing. So they are direct from the mine, so they do all of the direct sourcing. So not only are these ethically sourced, but they're also looking to be sustainably sourced. They will be one of the first green certified suppliers out there, which is so freaking cool. Like, that is unheard of. And if you guys don't know, Moldavite right now is a very wild west sourcing. So a lot of the Moldavite that's on the market right now is not ethically sourced and is usually obtained in the middle of the night from crime and gang, you know, involvement. So a lot of Moldavite out there is not ethically sourced. So that's why it took me a really long time to want to source it, because I wanted to make sure when I'm sourcing it that it's ethical and it's not part of some like crime or gang violence, because there's a lot of that if you guys actually read up on it, especially the stuff you see on Amazon. That stuff's probably fake. So anyways, I'll talk more about this in my haul video, but just wanted to kind of close out the video with some super exciting rare pieces. And I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me and for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I really hope you check out some local gem shows in your area. I know Tucson and Denver are not always affordable, but there are local gem shows. This gem show was at the Tucson event this year. It was a much larger scale. These have local vendors. They have vendors internationally too. So tons of variety. So go check out the link in the description box so you can see if they're going to be in your city, and just go ahead and do a quick Google search to see what comes up in terms of shows in your local area. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year, so help me out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah! Love you.